Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button, because I make videos daily. Matter of fact, 3 videos a day, and you do not want to miss it. So catch up on all the videos from today, yesterday, and binge watch a playlist today. Anyways, if it's your first time viewing my channel, I want to give you a quick shout out. Thank you so much for viewing. I value your time, your trust, your energy. Promise to give you all stuff and no fluff. These videos are very organic, full of conversational data points and very spontaneous, credit gems all over the place. And I try to keep the videos between 8 to 10 minutes and just full of how to leverage credit, how to build credit, and how to leverage the product that we're talking about. And then also get data points on whether it's a good product or a bad product. So welcome. We'd love for you to join the conversation. Make your voice known in the comment section. Smash the like button and the subscribe button. You can always unsubscribe later. In today's video, we're going to talk about Cred.ai. This is the unicorn metal card. I mean, this little sexy unicorn right here is waiting for you to get the card. Now, it's the only debit card that I like because it's a debit card that actually helps you build credit. You don't even have to use the card, and a trade line will report to your credit bureau. Now, I'm going to give you all of the facts about this card. I'm going to go through some of my opinions on this card, and I'm going to tell you the only reason what's holding me back from getting this card. So stick around to the very end. In the comment section, let me know if you guys love it or hate it, if you guys have it, if you don't have it, what you love about it. Join the private Facebook group as well, and add me on Instagram at Radical Marketer. Both those links are in the comment sections, and shout outs to the Radical Marketer community. Like and throw a comment on this video right now. Let's do this. All right, so basically, let's go over this here. Cred.ai is a high-tech and premium everyday card spending experience, 100% mobile with a free metal card. The mobile app is super dope. Ask Ben Simmons and John Legend, who are actually some of the founders and sponsors behind this card. It's a Philly-based startup aimed at fintechs and Gen Z. Okay, so that is the market to help people build credit quickly. With Cred.ai, you guarantee you never pay fees or interest. You'll never pay interest or fees. You'll never overspend. You'll build credit automatically and spend your paycheck early with cutting-edge technology that you can't get anywhere else. Pretty solid. Now, this is one of the hottest fintechs in the game. They're doing things completely different. They're killing Chime. They're killing Oxygen Bank. I'm loving Cred.ai. I'm going to tell you who they're underwritten by and everything, so still rock with me here. Now, applying does not impact your credit score, so you will not have a hard check whatsoever, and a Fico score is not required to apply. You have to get Cred.ai from signing up right here online, or you can download the app on your App Store or Google Play. CNBC, Forbes, and Fast Company had a lot of good things to say about it. It's a metal card, people, with a unicorn on it. How dope is that? With Cred.ai, you guarantee you never pay interest or fees, never overspend, and build credit automatically. You'll also be able to get 24/7 support, real-time control. So I love that you'll be able to even have virtual stealth cards that you can use. So if you don't want to give out your credit card, you can create a virtual card that has an expiration date and a credit limit to it, and you can put all your subscriptions on there so you don't overspend on stuff you don't really need or you forget about. Guys, game changer. Giving credit where credit is due. Your metal unicorn is a real credit card, but Cred.ai automation and Cred.ai guarantee make sure you never pay fees. We keep talking about that. Sound like a pro. Use your debit card and build your credit like a pro. All right, here. Now, so one of the things I want to say here too is this is not going to be a fly-by-night trade line company, okay? So this is not going to be like your Tomos. This is not going to be like your Black Steels. This is not going to be like your X1 credit card. This is a bank-issued Visa Savings Fund. Visa. This is a bank-issued Visa funded by one of the oldest charter banks in Delaware. Okay, so I'm going to show you where you guys are going to see that. It's going to report a $1,500 revolving trade line whether you use it or not. And it is a free trade line. You don't even have to use the card. It's going to show up. Okay, but what's awesome is it's a debit card and you load money on it and you use it like any other credit card. So I love that. It's all designed to give you security, that you don't overspend on stuff you don't need. Virtual cards, to protect you from identity theft and people stealing your card. It weighs more than the other fancy cards, but you don't pay a fee to get it. It's pretty cool, actually. The card you carry is metal, but Stealth Card is bulletproof. The app is amazing. So it's more for sketch transactions like ordering pizza over the phone, corn sites, and signing up for free trials. Regenerate the Stealth Card when you feel unsafe or use them in high security mode for ultimate protection. Use your Stealth Card over the phone, in person, or your phone's mobile wallet. This is pretty sweet. And then they have their own little blog here where they talk about credit and their political agendas, which, hey, you can't knock them. They're doing something different. And then obviously you can get cash out of 55,000 free ATMs, make instant deposits, mobile checks deposit at no fee, which is great. So you're going to be able to get instant deposits and take pictures of checks and deposit right into your card for free. And all deposits are FDIC insured up to 250,000. Super amazing. Okay, they have the flux capacitor, lets you access the funding power of future deposits and budget for future charges before they even happen, so you get your check 2 days early. Special self-destructing cards for your shady stuff like giving card over the phone, websites. Card optimizations help you look like a credit rock star while you spend like you always have. Check please eliminates the embarrassment of getting your card declined for no reason at significant events, whether it's an important business meeting or an important Tinder date. So you guys can tell this is totally towards Gen Z and millennials all day. Friend and foe, transaction with merchants you love, and they'll get approved when things go wrong. So your lights stay on, your card is off. Gives you the power to stop unauthorized fraudulent merchants. Instant deposit, high security, eliminates fraud. So this is pretty sweet. What do you guys think about it? It's going to come out. It's going to be a metal unicorn card. Now, let's say this again. It's going to be 55,000 free at ATMs, deposits FDIC insured. So this is not actually a credit card, people. It's a debit card that you load money on, that you're going to get the benefit of a credit card in the sense of you're going to be able to build credit with it. It's a free trade line. There's no credit check for it. And you don't even have to use the card to have a trade line. This is a primary free trade line. People, a primary free trade line that you don't have to get a hard inquiry for, that will report as a revolving trade line. This is one of the best fintechs in the game, and I highly, highly recommend it. You say, well, Rad, why are you not getting the card? I'm not getting the card because I don't want it to mess up my age of history. This is the only reason why I'm not getting a card, because I would actually love to use the card. It's kind of cool. I mean, who doesn't love it? A metal unicorn card that has all these features, virtual cards and checks early and all of that. But I don't want to mess up my age of accounts. That's important in your credit report that is sometimes overlooked with these fintechs. So if I add this card, I'm only going to get a $1,500 limit to it that's going to be reported. It's going to bring down my age of history. So if you're going after building your age of history and you already have trade lines, as cool as it is, I would kind of recommend you stay away from it, so that way your history can build up. They take the average of your trade lines, remember? So if you have a 5,000, like a 5-year trade line, and you add this one overnight, then they take the two trade lines and they divide that. Your age of history is 2.5 years. Dramatically goes down. So that's the only reason why I'm not getting Cred.ai. But anybody that's trying to build credit, new immigrant, somebody just turned 18, somebody wants to rebuild credit, somebody has horrible credit coming back from a bankruptcy, guys got to get Cred.ai. It's going to help you with a free trade line, and then you guys can obviously watch all the playlists on how to build credit quicker, financial literacy. But I'm going to be building playlists just for credit builders, installment and revolving accounts, so you guys can get your credit boosted up without paying these shady credit report companies or getting these shady AUs, because there's a lot of shadiness in the game. There is some good AU companies, but you don't want to be stumped, all right? Like, comment, subscribe, join the private Facebook group. We go through gems every single day. Add me on Instagram at Radical Marketer. Like, comment, subscribe. Drop an emoji if you have nothing to say. I don't care, but don't leave the video without putting a comment in the comment section. You mean more to me than punch that like button and the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Salute.